The first part of the presentation takes us through the air conditioning system. The air conditioning system on this aircraft is an essential part of a commercial aircraft as it provides air for comfort and for survival, as well as maintaining through the pressurization system the pressure cabin that we rely on. The air conditioning system in this aircraft is fully automatic. It provides continuous air-conditioned air, renewed air, and maintains constant temperature, pressure, and humidity with a constant airflow through the cabin and cockpit. We have divided the aircraft into 3 zones for air conditioning, known as the cockpit zone and the forward and aft cabin zones. The 3 zones are independently controlled via the overhead panel, as we're going to be seeing in a little bit later. Air is supplied from the bleed system, from the pneumatic system. And the sources of air can either be the engines, the APU, or high pressure or low pressure ground connections for air. The air conditioning system consists of the following components. 2 pack flow control valves, controlled from the overhead panel and automatically from the ACSCs. 2 air conditioning packs. Their job is to take the hot air from the bleed system and cool it to a respective level for the air conditioning system. To control all this, we have 2 air conditioning system controllers, ACSCs. And to optimize temperature throughout the 3 zones and to allow them to operate individually in terms of temperature, we incorporate 3 hot air trim valves and 1 hot air pressure regulating valve. This is for optimization in terms of temperature. 1 mixer unit recirculates the air with recirculating fans to minimize the amount of bleed air required for the air conditioning system. And an emergency ram air inlet allows for emergency air to come in to ventilate the cabin and cockpit in case of smoke or loss of pressurization. Temperature regulation is optimized, as I just mentioned, via the hot air pressure regulating valve and its associated trim valves. This part of the system taps hot air upstream of the bleed valve, but downstream of that means before the air conditioning pack, and allow this hot air to meet the cold airflow just as the air passes into the individual zones. During cruise, the cabin crew can, via the flight attendant panel inside the cabin, regulate the preset temperature from the cockpit in the cabin zones by plus or minus 2.5 degrees Celsius. On the ground, the aircraft can become independent in terms of bleed air by using a low pressure ground air unit. This unit will supply pre-conditioned air-conditioned air to the mixer unit directly into the 3 zones in the aircraft. This is ideal if we're running on the ground an aircraft, for example, for maintenance, where we don't want to run the bleed system from an APU or from the engines.